Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, and today I'm going to walk you through kind of my process in putting together these Collage Fodder Ephemera Packs. If you've been around here a while, you'll know that I am an avid art journaler. I love using painted papers and vintage papers in my art journals. And every so often, generally about every 6 months, I will put together some kind of collage fodder packets, mystery packs that feature different, maybe vintage papers from falling apart dictionaries or painted papers that I have cut up. It's really fun to put them together. And I wanted you to kind of get a peek into what is in this latest kit. So I have quite a few of these that I've been able to put together using stuff that I either had on hand or collected specifically for this ephemera pack. So I'm going to take you through the process of creating some of the painted papers I made, and then I will do kind of a flip through of what's in one of these packets. Most of them are fairly identical. I'm calling it a mystery pack, but I'm going to show you everything that's inside it. And just know that they're all pretty much the same. The coloring of some papers might change or be different from one pack to the next, but you're getting the same number and the same kinds of things in every single pack. So let's get started. For today's edition of papers I'm adding to the ephemera packs, I am working with these old dictionary pages and some spray. It says washable, but I should warn you that it is, it is really not. If you use this without gloves, your hands will be stained. But watercolor magic, I mix them about a quarter full of this liquid watercolor, and then 3/4 of water. And then I've got my setup here with this tray, and I just spread the pages out and then spray them. I'll show you. So I keep a layer of pages on the bottom of the tray. I think they make really interesting patterns as they're absorbing the excess watercolor spray. And then I'll just go through and add another layer over the top. These pages are from an old dictionary I found at the thrift store that was falling apart. And I'll just spray. I think it adds more interest to add different colors. So I'll generally keep it in cool colors versus warm colors. It's the same one again. Let's see. As they've been stacked in here, they kind of cover each other up, which makes for interesting either patterns and really crisp edges, or you can go back over the top and spray again, or even spray a contrasting color. And then I just set them over here on this scratch paper to dry. As you add more colors, you can see that it gets really interesting looking as they kind of bleed and push each other out of the way. I'll show you these again when they're dry, but that's just the effect I'm looking for here. Good, that's good. Nice. Just wanted to reiterate, these are not washable. My hands are very stained, and they are every time I use these.